If you are a student, intern, researcher, or anyone seeking for extra income from home, then this video is for you. I am about to introduce an AI tool that lets you earn online with no expertise, no technical skills, and minimal investment. But first, check out these AI generated clips.
Want to test your own observational skills? Sherlock Holmes presents intricate mysteries that will keep you guessing until the very
I've been
end.
testing it for weeks, and here are my honest reviews about it. It melts into your skin, no white cast, just a healthy glow. And with SPF 50, it's serious about protection against UVA, UVB, and even blue light.
The Boatstone 352 Pro features a rugged, outdoor-friendly design that is built to withstand harsh conditions.
Anyone with a laptop can create this kind of content. Invest just a few hours a week, and within a few months, you can generate a new income stream. With consistent effort, it could even exceed your primary income. The potential is truly limitless. So stick around with me until the end to learn everything about this AI tool, how to use it, and most importantly, how to start earning using it. The method I will be sharing is creating AI product marketing videos. This fast emerging field uses AI to generate promotional videos and product reviews without showing your face or voice, requiring no marketing skills and no expensive setups. This is just the beginning of AI era, and early adopters will see greatest potential for success. But why is this trending? Hiring models for product photoshoot is expensive. AI is replacing real life models and celebrities generating marketing videos in minutes using AI avatars from product images. These avatars are so realistic that viewers often mistaken them for real people. Now, before we discuss earning potential, let's see how to create these kind of videos. To create AI marketing videos, visit topview.ai. Click on Product Avatar and sign up. After logging in, you will see this interface. Choose an avatar from the library of over 1000 diverse options. Select an avatar that suits the product's type and size. Let's create an avatar for an Amazon product, such as a popular, highly rated Dot and Key Beauty product. Let me search for the product. Here is the product. You can view its rating and its popularity. I have already downloaded a high quality image of this product that I will be using for uploading in Topview. Next, choose a suitable avatar and replace the image with your product image. The tool automatically removes any background from the image. Precisely adjust the image's orientation and size to match the avatar. Then click on Confirm Position. It provides 3 images. Choose the one with the best product placement. The first one looks good. We'll create the video avatar from that image. This may take a few minutes to create the video. The AI avatar is ready.
I am Topview Product Avatar. I can hold your product with just one image. You no longer have to spend a lot of time and money searching for real models to showcase your products. Use Topview Product Avatars to make your video marketing faster and more effective.
You can download it from here. To make the avatar speak about the product, provide a custom script by clicking Use My Script. Your video avatar will be listed here. Add a custom script on the right. Upload an audio file or enter a text description or review of the product, which will be dubbed to match the avatar's voice. You can find the script content on the product's website or from your client. You can also use ChatGPT or similar tool to generate or improve your content. Simply click on Generate, set the resolution and export. Your AI video avatar will be ready in a minute or two. Let's see how the avatar video looks like with the custom script. On the right, you will see the downloaded video.
I've been testing it for weeks, and here are my honest reviews about it. It melts into your skin, no white cast, just a healthy glow. And with SPF 50, it's serious about protection against UVA, UVB, and even blue light.
Isn't it amazing? Another great feature of TopView is its ability to tailor the content for a specific region and audiences. This is achieved by selecting avatars, languages, and voices that best suits your target audience. Let me show you the various language, voice, and filter options. For example, for a global campaign, you might choose English, while for an Indian audience, you could select Hindi. Similarly, you can choose from French, Spanish, and any other language. Here is a quick demo for it.
Topview.ai में आपका स्वागत है, जो एक अत्याधुनिक AI संचालित वीडियो संपादन प्लेटफॉर्म।
Bienvenue sur topview.ai, la plateforme ultime de montage vidéo alimentée par
Welcome to Topview.ai, the ultimate AI powered.
Welcome to Topview.ai, the ultimate AI-powered.
You can also use Clone My Voice option to make the video sound like you. You will need to upload the 5-minute video voice samples for the tool to learn your voice. I insist you to use this feature only after reviewing the terms and conditions. It's also worth noting that you can select from a variety of avatars showing different products such as mobile phones, handbags, beauty products, books, watches, health products, and much more. This allows you to use TopView for virtually any global marketing campaign. I believe this example demonstrates how easy it is to create product or marketing videos without showing your face or recording your voice. TopView is an online tool, so you can use it anytime, anywhere, with just a basic laptop or computer, even without video editing experience. Now, you probably might be wondering how this tool can help you earn money. There are two main ways for this. First, through affiliate marketing. Create videos of trending products or high commission products listed on e-commerce platforms like Amazon or Shopify. You will need an affiliate account with the respective platform for this. Regularly post your videos on social media platforms like Instagram, YouTube, or your own website. I recommend creating a dedicated account for this. When someone buys through your affiliate link, you will earn a commission for it. The second way is by creating marketing content or sponsored videos for brands. This typically happens after you have built a strong online presence and gained a significant following. Brands may offer free products for promotion. You can also explore other avenues such as marketing emails and advertising to earn money with this tool. You can try this tool for free. If you find it helpful, upgrade to the premium plan for advanced customization options and resources using the link in the description to support my channel. TopView also offers features like photo avatar generation, video avatar generation, AI image generation, and AI voice generation. So that's all for today. If you find this video helpful, please leave a comment and share it with others. To learn more about such useful AI tools, do check out my channel.